Hey, and welcome to my new series called Make It Work with Berk from home. I'm your professor, Mr. Berk, and each week I'll be offering you simple tips, tricks, and tools on how to transform your space. Simply and easily, anyone can do it. And if you feel you can't, that's what teachers are for. So grab your pencils and possibly your Pinterest boards because class is in session. It's time for some coffee talk. Oh, I need a coffee mug. Whoops. It's time for some coffee talk.
On this show, we talk about coffee, New York, daughter, dogs, no big whoop, just coffee talk.
How's your coffee table looking? Functional, but not fun? Well, a coffee table can be both functional and beautiful. And this week, I'm going to show you how versatile your coffee table can be and the tips to do this in your own space.
Seriously, can I get my coffee?
Whether it's a regular coffee table or an ottoman functioning as a centerpiece in your living quarters, you probably haven't thought about changing what's happening on top of your coffee table. Most likely you have a remote or some books and magazines on the top of the surface, but what happens when you bring in more life to a simple piece? Let's check out the next student, see what grade they earn, and make it work with Berk from home. A host with the most. They transform a simple coffee table 3 ways and showed us that your coffee table can serve both function and fun. Almost all the items used can be found in your home, and each vignette sets a tone from a deck of cards for playing, a photo album to encouraging conversation, and a candle to set the mood for all occasions. That's how you make it work with Berk from home. I'm gonna give this student an A+. Tune in next week for my next assignment for Make It Work with Berk from home. Don't be late.